Hi everyone and welcome to today's video where we are going to learn how to solve simultaneous equations by elimination. There are three ways of solving simultaneous equations that you need to know for GCSE. These are elimination, substitution and graphing. In this video we're covering elimination. Example 1. Solve the simultaneous equations. So we have x plus y equals 5 and x minus y equals 1. We need to find a value for x and y which fulfill both of these equations. To do this, first we need to make one of the terms match. This allows us to eliminate. So this is an easy one. We already have 1x and 1x. So we can eliminate the x's by subtracting. So we have no x's. And then we need to repeat this for the rest of the equation. So here we have y minus y. This is y plus y because minus minus is plus. So we get 2y. Then we have to do 5 minus 1 and we get 4. Then we can divide both sides by 2 to get y equals 2. And here we've obtained the value of one of the terms. Now we need to substitute y equals 2 into our original equation to find the other term. So if we look at original equation, we could use this one here, or we could also use this one. But let's use the first one. So we had x plus y equals 5, and now we know that y equals 2. So we put that in, we get x plus 2 equals 5, rearrange, minus 2 from both sides, and you get x is equal to 3. And here are your answers for these simultaneous equations. We can check that our answer is correct by substituting these into the equation. So x plus y equals 5, and we got x equals 3 and y equals 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. In the same way, you can do x minus y, 3 minus 2, and you'd get 1. So now we know our answer is correct. Example 2. Pause the video here and try out this one. So here we have the question x plus y equals 7 and x minus y equals 3. This is easy as well because x is already matched, so we can do x minus x to get no x's, y minus minus y to get 2y, and 7 minus 3 to get 4. Obtain the value of one term, we can divide both sides by 2 to get y equals 2. And then we substitute this into our original equation to find the other term. So we had y equals 2. And we can do x plus 2 equals 7, that means x must equal 5. These are our two answers, and if we substitute this to see if it's correct, we get 5 minus 2 equals 3, and this fulfills this, and 5 plus 2 equals 7, and that fulfills that. So now we know our answer is correct. Pause the video here and try out these questions. They're like the previous ones. There's a challenge if you finish quickly. Here's the answer so you can mark your work. Let me know how you did in the comment section down below. Example 3. Here it gets a bit harder. X plus y equals 9 and 2x minus y equals 3. We still have to follow the same steps, so we need one of these to match. What we can do here is times everything in the first equation by 2, so we can get 2x plus 2y equals 18, and 2x minus y equals 3 stays the same. Now you can see that these two are the same, so they match up. This means that we can eliminate. So we have no x's, then we can do 2y minus minus y. You have to make sure you get these negatives correct. Try some extra practice if you're struggling with these. 2y minus minus y is 3y, and then we can do 18 minus 3, which is 15, so y is equal to 5, because we divide both sides by 3. We substitute this back into our original equation. We had x plus y equals 9, x plus 5 equals 9, so we have x is equal to 4. And we can try this into this equation here. So if you times 4 by 2 we get 8, and 8 minus y, 8 minus 5 is 3. That means our answer must be correct. Example 4. Pause the video here and try this one yourself. So we have 3x plus 4y equals 18 and x minus 2y equals 1. We can times this bottom equation by 3, so we can eliminate the x's. 3x minus 3x is nothing, then 4y minus minus 6y is 10y, and 18 minus 3 is 15. Divide both sides by 10 to get y is equal to 1.5. You can also leave it as 3 over 2. but make sure you don't get confused. So we have 3x plus 4y is 18. So we know that y is 1.5. So therefore, this should have a 3 here. So therefore, we can do 4 times 1.5, which is 6, minus that from both sides. So 3x is equal to 18 minus 6. And then we divide both sides by 3 to get the value of x, which would be 4. And this is our final answer. Pause the video here and try out these questions. There's a challenge if you finish quickly. Here are the answers. Let me know how you did in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, also put them down below. Example 5. 3x minus y equals 9 and x plus 2y equals 6. This is getting even trickier now. What we can do this time, instead of matching the x's, we can match the y's. So if we times the top equation by 2, we get 6x minus 2y equals 18. Remember, you have to times every value in the equation by 2, not just the y. And now, in order to eliminate this, we can do minus 2y plus 2y, because that will give us 0. Because if you have minus 2 and you add 2, you get to 0. So we can add these equations instead of subtracting. So beware, you don't always subtract. So we get 6x plus x, which is 7x, and then 18 plus 6, which is 24. Therefore, x is equal to 24 over 7. We can use this back and substitute it in the equation. 24 over 7 plus 2y is equal to 6. So therefore, if we rearrange, y is equal to 9 over 7. Be careful when you're subtracting the fractions. Here are a bunch of questions for you to try. They get progressively harder, and if you want the answers, make sure you comment down below, and if you need any explanations, comment down below as well. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye!